Hey, Jim Wigan with Athearn Trains. Be sure to check out these new releases of the Athearn Genesis tank trains.
For January 2024, Athearn is pleased to announce our next run of the Athearn Genesis GATX 23K tank train tank cars. For this run, we're including the following roads: 2012 era Canadian National, 2022 era GATX in the white and black scheme, 1980s era Quaker State, and 2022 era GATX in the solid white scheme. These models will be offered as a single car in an AB or AA sets, as well as an intermediate 3-pack. For more details, select the link in the video description. All prices listed are MSRP. Contact your dealer for pricing. Pre-order these Athearn Genesis HO scale models through your Athearn dealer by Friday, January 26.